Okay, hello everyone. This is Professor Mirza. I am your professor for the class of Principles of Management, Group 1. We generally will see each other on Wednesdays, but this first session will be an online one, an asynchronous one. So just to give you a few instructions what you should do and maybe clarify them, unless you don't have access to on campus, you can always watch this video, and this will probably clarify all that you have to do. I'm going to make some assumptions that you are already on Mount Campus and you can access this. Generally, you'll see something on the left side over here, which is your guidelines and sessions and everything goes step by step. If you start from here, it says a complete, but it should actually say rules and guidelines. I'm not sure why it's not able to change itself, but that doesn't matter. So if you start from here, you can keep on going next and next, right? And for me, it's not an issue if you don't read it, but it's necessary for you to at least read and get an understanding of how to be successful in the class. There's also something very interesting that's written over here that's regarding my email address and how to contact me, right? So be very careful how you contact me. I'm quite peculiar about the way students talk to me and contact me. All right, you are studying a management class, and we should, pose ourselves to be much more professional and courteous because we want the other person to give us that sort of respect. Next, if you click on next, you'll always automatically go to syllabus, which is right here. If you don't have access to the syllabus, you can ask the administration to give you access to it, or if you have access here, you can even download it. I recommend downloading it and keeping with yourself at all times. There's my email address over here and the timings of the class. And along with the other descriptions, something very important, which will be discussed in second session, but it's written over here. You're supposed to actually do chapter 1 and 2. However, since it's online, I'd rather do chapter 2 with you guys in the classroom, and then we can cover other things if necessary, like chapter 3 and 4. That wouldn't be a problem. All right. Anyways, you can ignore this link over here. At the time being, we don't need to access it. If I could, I'll update it just in case. But these are for those people who don't have Mount Campus. All right. We have two other sessions, session 7 and session 9, which will be online. So please note that down. That being said, all online sessions will have assignments to it, and those assignments will be linked both to a grade and to your online session attendance. So if you go to the next part, which is session 1, you'll see you'll have some instructions for your assignment. Please note down the instructions very carefully and also the deadline, which is going to be next Tuesday before midnight. And also there are penalties that are associated with lateness at the moment. I might excuse the penalties because most students are new, or they might come in new, so I might excuse them, but please, this will be going forward every time I will be putting up penalties. What I would recommend, if whatever word processor that you have, Microsoft Word, or if you have Doc Pages, you should save your work as a PDF file, just in case. You can send me your work if you're not able to submit it on Mount Campus. So send it to me as a PDF file. PDF file only. I will not accept any other file. Any other file comes my way, I will automatically delete it because they are prone to viruses. So you can save your work as a PDF file on Microsoft Word or even on Pages. It's not that difficult. If you don't know how to do it, you can Google it. It'll probably tell you how to export a file as PDF. It's rudimentary stuff. So you have to read chapter number 1 on Management Today from your textbook of Fundamentals of Management. It's by Stephen P. Robbins. This is a mandatory book. You must have it by now. And after reading chapter, answer these questions from chapter 1. Okay. They all have their average number of words to be written and certain number of points, which will add up to obviously 100. 35 points make 70. Plus 30 points make 100. So please, what I would recommend is you should copy these questions onto your word processor and then attempt them. And after you attempt them, you should then go to the next section, which is submission of assignment. Now, the problem with this is that we don't have assignment submission or homework submission modules prepared for MoCampus at the moment, since it's quite new. So it looks like an exam. What you can do is once you're done with your work, copy paste your work, your answers one by one, into the text box, or you can just simply upload a file if you want, right? That too works for me. I can download the file as a PDF and well, upload it as a PDF too. Okay, don't upload it as a Word file or Pages. Upload a PDF file, and that's good enough for me. And I can check and give you a grade subsequently. Once you're done, just click Finish, and then you're done, or Validate. Validate and finish. You're done. Don't. Yeah, I mean that's this part. Validate is very important. Do make sure if you're not sure that your work has been submitted, you can contact me. I will generally reply within 24 hours, but if you message me on Friday midnight, I will not message you till Monday midnight. Yeah, because it's a 24-hour rule policy, which means one working day. So be careful when you message me. I am not going to respond to you like I'm Amazon. Anyways, I hope this helps, and I'm very happy that you're part of this class, and hope to see you soon.